The Crocs Unisex Adult Classic Clog is a staple in casual footwear. This product stands out for its remarkable comfort and versatility. The care instructions are clear. Avoid exposure to heat or sunlight. Excessive heat can cause the shoes to shrink or warp, which is crucial to keep in mind. The sole material is ethylene vinyl acetate, also known as AVA. This material provides exceptional cushioning. It ensures each step feels light and bouncy. The outer material is also made of AVA, which contributes to the clog's overall durability. This makes the clogs resistant to wear and tear. The inner material is man-made, adding to the comfort level. It ensures a snug fit without compromising on breathability. Additionally, the classic clog is crafted in Vietnam, known for its quality manufacturing. The craftsmanship is evident in every detail of the shoe. Hey, good to see One of the standout features of the Crocs Classic Clog is its ease of maintenance. A simple wipe with a damp cloth keeps them looking fresh. This makes them perfect for those who seek low-maintenance footwear. The design is iconic and easily recognizable. The clog's airy design, with multiple ventilation holes, keeps feet cool and dry. This feature is especially useful during the summer months. The clogs are also incredibly lightweight, making them perfect for long periods of wear. Versatility is another key aspect. These clogs are suitable for a variety of occasions. Whether you're gardening, at the beach, or just lounging at home, they fit the bill. The slip-on design makes them convenient for quick, on-the-go moments. The Crocs Unisex Adult Classic Clog is available in numerous colors. This allows for personalization and expression of individual style. They cater to a wide range of preferences. In summary, the Crocs Unisex Adult Classic Clog offers unparalleled comfort and practicality. Their easy maintenance and versatile use make them a valuable addition to any wardrobe. Whether you're looking for casual day-to-day wear or something for specific activities, these clogs are a great choice. In summary, the Crocs Unisex Adult Classic Clog offers unparalleled comfort and practicality. Their easy maintenance and versatile use make them a valuable addition to any wardrobe. Whether you're looking for casual day-to-day wear or something for specific activities, these clogs are a great choice.